Here is a short video on how to replace low beam bulb on a Renault Captur, 2014 to 2018, in 7 easy steps. 1. Open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You will see a round rubber cap. Here we have a right headlight where you can see much better how to remove the light bulb, and you don't need to remove the headlight from the car. You can find H1 low beam light bulb below in the video description. On this label you will see the type of bulbs you need for the headlight: low beam, H1, high beam, H1, turn signal, PY21W, and parking light, W5W. 2. Remove the rubber cap. 3. Disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb by gently pulling outwards. 4. Remove the metal clip, press inwards and move to the right to release the metal clip that holds the bulb in place. 5. Remove the burnout bulb, pull it straight out. Avoid touching the glass part with your fingers. Oil from your skin can shorten the life of the bulb. If you do touch it, wipe it off with a clean cloth or wear gloves. 6. Install the new bulb, insert it in the exact position, secure the metal clip and reconnect the electrical connector. Make sure the bulb is seated correctly and not tilted. Seven. Put the rubber cover and close the hood. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.